All right, folks, here comes the Amtrak Capital Corridor train, 527. Final destination of the train is San Jose Diridon Station. Arriving at the Oakland Coliseum Station, Oakland East. SC44, Siemens Charger is 2124, my engine right this one. This is my favorite Siemens Charger, 21 to 24. This train is headed to southbound to San Jose, coming for Sacramento. All right, folks, we'll be right back after this commercial break on this departure of 527. Bye-bye. All right, folks, this is Amtrak 527 going to San Jose. SC44 Siemens Charger 2124 leads off. Oh, the cat car at 8314 Mount Pinos. All right, we got that train headed to southbound to San Jose. So my Siemens Charger 2124 is hooked up with David Jones' favorite cat car. Okay? So, I am Marcel Hall. Have a good one.